You may have noticed that not all ice cubes are the same. Some are perfectly clear, almost invisible in your glass, while others are opaque, white as frost. Why this difference? Is it just a matter of chance, or is there a science behind it? Today, we're going to find out why your ice cubes can be transparent or opaque. To understand why some ice cubes are clear and others opaque, we must first understand how ice forms. When water freezes, it begins to solidify first at the edges, where it is in contact with the cold, and then towards the center. Ideally, if the water was pure and the freezing process slow and steady, the water molecules would align perfectly to form transparent ice. But in most cases, the water contains impurities or air bubbles, which are trapped during the freezing process, making the ice opaque. The purity of the water plays a crucial role in the transparency of your ice cubes. Tap water, which often contains minerals and dissolved gases, tends to produce more opaque ice cubes. On the other hand, filtered or boiled water, where most impurities have been removed, is more likely to produce clear ice cubes. The freezing speed is also a key factor. The faster the water freezes, the more impurities and air bubbles are trapped, making the ice opaque. On the contrary, slow freezing allows these impurities to escape, producing more transparent ice. So, how can you get crystal clear ice cubes at home? The first tip is to use boiled or filtered water to reduce impurities. You can also slow down the freezing process by using an insulated ice cube tray, or by placing the ice cubes in a freezer at a higher temperature so that the water freezes more slowly. Some cocktail enthusiasts even use special molds and infusion techniques to obtain perfectly transparent ice cubes, which not only add an aesthetic touch to the drink, but also melt more slowly, keeping the drink cold longer without diluting it. But what about air bubbles and impurities? As the water begins to freeze, it expels impurities and dissolved gases, pushing them towards the center of the ice cube. These air bubbles, once trapped, find themselves blocked, creating opaque pockets inside the ice. This is why homemade ice cubes are often opaque in the center, where the freezing process is fastest and where impurities are concentrated. By using purer water and slowing down the freezing process, you can minimize these bubbles and get clearer ice cubes. So why are ice cubes transparent or opaque? It all depends on the purity of the water and how they are frozen. With the right tips, you can master the art of ice making and impress your guests with crystal clear ice cubes. If you enjoyed this discovery, subscribe for more fascinating facts about the world around us.